Welcome to another Technic Force Learning. It's me, Kate, and today we're going to talk about how to create Pinterest boards. As a social marketer, it is important to create boards that encourage customers to follow your brand and find out more. Try to focus on things that are specific to what makes your brand unique rather than creating random or generic boards. People use Pinterest for different reasons than they use networks like Facebook and Instagram. Pinterest is a network where people look for inspiration, including specifically seeking out ideas about new products to buy. That means they are excited to see posts from brands in their feeds. According to eMarketer, only Facebook outranks Pinterest in terms of influencing US social media users' purchasing decisions. More than 2/3 of pinners say they've discovered a new brand or product on Pinterest, and a whopping 93% of pinners use the network to plan purchases. And it's not just planning. Half of pinners have actually made a purchase after seeing a promoted pin, and 2/3 look at saved pins while out shopping in brick-and-mortar stores. Since Pinterest is a little different from the other social media networks, before we talk about how to use Pinterest for business, here's a quick overview of some key Pinterest terminology. Pins. A pin is simply any image or video that someone chooses to save to Pinterest. For businesses, more important than the image itself is the link. Boards. Pinterest users, called pinners, save a lot of stuff, an incredible 100 billion pins to date. In order to keep things organized, they sort their pins into collections and call them boards. Feed. A Pinterest feed is just like a feed on any other social network. It's a collection of links and content from boards and users that the pinner has followed. Pinterest allows you to upload, save, sort, and manage images, photos, graphics, and videos known as pins into collections known as boards. As a user, you can browse other users' boards for content that takes your interest and pin it. When using Pinterest, it's easy to be carried away by just how casual everything looks. If you do get carried away, you lose the opportunity to create boards that are informative and that reflect your business. Making boards that give information on your business, what you do, where you are located, what people should know about you, and a guide on how to buy good products will help interested Pinterest users find you easily. Set up one main board with your overarching topic. You can use this as a starting point for all your pins or a feeder board. You can then repin or schedule pins from this board. Here's how. Click the Add link located in the top right corner of the Pinterest site. The odd box appears with Add a Pin and Create a Board. Click the Create a Board button. The Create a Board box will appear. Fill in the board name text box. Choose a name that will describe what your board is about, but in a way that catches the eye so other pinners will want to learn more. Select an option from the board category drop-down list. Your category options range from architecture to photography, from art to wedding and events. Choose the one most represented of your board and your brand. You can also choose Other if you don't see a suitable category on the menu. Do your best to choose a descriptive category, however. You want to be as specific as possible to catch the attention of people who are searching on Pinterest. Determine who can pin to the board. If you want to be the only pinner, don't change a thing. If you want to invite other people you follow on Pinterest to add pins to this board, click on the Add Another Pin text box and start typing a person you want to invite to the board. Click the Add button. Repeat to invite more people. Click the Create Board button. You arrive at your newly created and sadly empty board. Go add some pins. This one is not niched. It should encompass as much of your business topic as possible. You can also create one board that is only for your own content. Do not get clever with your board names. Use your best keyword for phrases. That way, interested people can find your boards via search engines on Pinterest, Google, and other social media platforms. And that's a good thing. Write a good board description. Keywords matter here too. Include phrases your target audience is searching for. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine. Best practice is to keep your public boards as on point as your blog post or product line. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.